Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Mr. Starr. I am your teacher for trimester 2 AP Human Geography. Some of you I already know, but a lot of you I have not had before in this class. So I apologize for not being there today to actually introduce myself to you, despite having been fully vaccinated and having my booster shot last week, right before Thanksgiving. I tested positive for COVID. So I am out for the entire week here. You can tell I'm doing just fine. Everything's all good. But I cannot come back until technically Saturday, which I guess that means Monday. All right, so I will see you guys next week. But we still have some great AP Human Geography that we have to get into. I want to kind of take you through what you're going to need to know for the week here. I'll post some other videos throughout the week too that'll kind of update you on what we're doing. All right. So when you go to school, you guys, it's going to take you to this page first. This is the update page. I'll post updates. I'll post information there every day, and it'll take you there first so you can see what I posted each day. And I'll kind of keep you up to date on what's going on each day with it. Okay. After you get done with that, reading that, you can click on materials, and that'll take you into the actual class itself. All right. So this is similar to what yours should look like. You can see I have some grayed out stuff at the bottom. You guys don't need to worry about that. Obviously, when I get back next week, I'll open up the regular unit 4, but I've put together at least just this week unit 4 that we'll be able to get into, and you guys can kind of do a day by day set of work here. All right. So you can come on down here. You got your online textbook access. I know it's been kind of hit or miss. We come on down here though. Click on the unit 4 ethnic and political geography week 1. All right. And so go into that. And I've set up each day is going to have its own set of information, its own folder here. So you can see the class introduction video. We're watching it right now, so you should be good to go. And then there's the day 1 survey that you're going to do. It is a formative assignment. So if you go in, take the survey. I know those of you that I had last try, you've already done it, but please do it again because sometimes things change. And so I'd like to hear your information. Just go in there. It's all information about you, essentially. All right. And I'll introduce myself a little bit more next week when I'm in person. When you're done with that, guys, today is essentially going to be a reading day, right? You're going to have chapter 7, key issue 1 and 2 to start reading about. All right. So we're starting to get into ethnic geography first. So if you click in here on Monday, you can see what we've got. You'll take the survey here. There is a little crash course video. If you want to watch it, go right ahead. It's like 10 or 11 minutes long. You probably don't need to watch the whole thing, but it just talks about like what is race and what is ethnicity. They're different, even though a lot of times we put those two terms together. All right. And then I also put your chapter 7 guided reading in there. Obviously, as you're going through, guys, read chapter 7, key issue 1 and 2 today. Take notes as you're reading, answer your guided reading questions as you're reading. And so the idea is to be prepared then for tomorrow, because tomorrow you will have your reading quiz like we always do. And then we'll talk about how the review notes are going to work. All right, we'll get into that tomorrow. We'll do a little bit more of that. But the idea is, guys, that you're reading chapter 7, key issue 1 and 2. Use your ACE time today if you have opportunity to. Use time after school, but you got to make sure you're ready to go with your notes and answer some of those guided reading questions for your reading quiz tomorrow. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll continue to update you with some more videos like this each day and give you the information. I'll put it in each day's folder. So, good luck, guys. Make sure that you do your reading today, and I will see you again soon.